guys, welcome back to our channel. It's me Haika from H&Z Kids Show, and today we are going to be opening the Samsung A90 5G versus, and we have the Samsung Galaxy S9. We have a picture on the front of the A90 5G. It says on the back we have 48 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 8 megapixel, 32 megapixel front camera, 1 to 8 GB memory, 6 GB RAM. The Samsung Galaxy S9 has 64 GB memory, 4 GB RAM, wireless charging pad required, earphones turned by AKG, and is a water resistant. Let's go ahead and open these. So guys, here we have the logo of the Samsung Galaxy S9, and then you can pull this out. We have this, and you also have the Samsung Galaxy S9. So let's go ahead and take it out. We have the fast charger. We also have the charging pin, the USB pin, connector, the charger cable, and the headphones, and their AKG headphones. We have some extra earbuds for your headphones. We have some instructions. Here we have the volume button. Let's open the A95G now. Wow, this looks amazing. This, just like we did with the S9. We also have a charger. I think they're headphones, or maybe the charging device. Wait, these are the headphones, and this is what you connect onto this. This mobile comes with a SuperFast charger. We also got some black headphones and some extra earbuds. And here is both phones comparison. This one is bigger and this one's shorter. Wow, the screen's so shiny. Let's turn it on. Here we have the logo. Let's go. So as you can see, we both have the Play Store.